The high-speed universe of cryptographic forms of money has spread its wings towards different areas, like the metaverse and NFTs. Discussing metaverse, Decentraland has been an expert player in the area. To amateurs in the business, Decentraland is one of the proficient augmented experience stages controlled by the Ethereum blockchain, which is home to its computerized token Mana. With Decentraland's developing conspicuousness in the business and costly land deals, developing occasions, advertisers are interested about the Decentraland cost expectation soon and as long as possible. Might it be said that you are one of those inquisitive personalities? Then, at that point, participate as we interpret the value figures of Mana for 2022 and the years to come. Decentraland crypto value expectation for November 2022. The market has ended up being very unstable this year as there are numerous changes. The bears have assumed control over the graphs totally. This is viewed as an off-base chance to contribute as nothing is sure and the market will generally be supportive of any side. On the off chance that the bulls figure out how to assume control over the market, the cost of this crypto may go as high as 50 cents. Running against the norm, on the off chance that the bears figure out how to hang available, the cost might go as low as 39 cents. This presents to us the typical exchanging cost of the crypto for the month at 44 cents. Decentraland coin value expectation for December 2022. Decentraland could make the most out of the last leg of the year. With the Christmas season being near, the stage could be a host to energizing occasions. As many brands direct buyer occasions, an organization with any huge brand could impel the cost to another pinnacle of 52 cents continuously and normal exchanges with no significant occasions could invite a typical exchanging cost of 45 cents. Notwithstanding, assuming that the bears offset the bulls, the computerized resource cost could remain grasped underneath 38 cents. Mana coin value expectation for 2023. Assuming the value of Decentraland's Mana conveys forward the bullish position of the past year. With the impulse coming from land exchanges, virtual occasions, and advancements, the cost could take off to its yearly shutting worth of 62 cents. All things considered, with a consistent force with no significant obstruction from the bears, the computerized resource could exchange at a typical cost of 46 cents. Nonetheless, assuming that negative analysis strikes, the bears could pull the value down to 54 cents. Mana crypto value expectation for 2024. As recently said, the metaverse area is seeing shocking searchers, which is currently spreading over across lines and skylines. The exchange socioeconomics are even between both the West and the East. This is a staggering accomplishment, as it gives a short knowledge into the fate of the task. The developing reception of Decentraland could push Mana tokens to its expected high of 78 cents toward the finish of 2024. Conversely, the attack of greater firms and forceful advertising could leave Decentraland and conceal. In such a case, the computerized coin would land at a low of 58 cents. All in all, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at 68 cents. Decentraland value expectation for 2025. The next few years stay pivotal for Decentraland. It could turn tables for itself as well as its local resource Mana, as the business would see a progressive shift towards the metaverse area. Decentraland could find fresher associations and advancements and host more huge and never-seen-before occasions, which could move the cost to $1.01. On the other side, assuming the convention misses out on steam on account of arising and more conspicuous opponents, the coin's cost could tumble to 75 cents. All things considered, standard trading tensions could land the cost at 88 cents. Decentraland value forecast. Mana could fill in the future as it permits the clients to create and adapt. The altcoin may likewise arise as the main virtual exchanging stage the world and a go-to scene for virtual occasion. All things considered, for the year 2022, the Mana cost could close the yearly exchange with a pricier tag of 52 cents. Nonetheless, negative patterns could restrict the cost to 38 cents. What's more, normal exchange practices could land the cost at 45 cents. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is the augmented experience stage that sudden spikes in demand for the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to buy land that can be subsequently fabricated and adapted. It is the main virtual stage, entirely possessed and oversaw by the clients. The convention has 3 layers: the agreement layer, land content layer, and constant layer. Curiously, Decentraland utilizes 2 tokens, which are Mana and Land. Mana is an ERC20 symbolic that sudden spikes in demand for Ethereum. The token can be used to pay for a scope of symbols, names, wearables, and more on the Decentraland Commercial Center. Decentraland's fundamental point is to assist with satisfying makers, people, and organizations searching for another creative medium or give a stage to new business open doors. Central investigation. Ariel Malik and Esteban Ordano established Decentraland, and both have ventured down from their significant situations at the task. Presently, they are helping Decentraland as counselors. Ariel Malik functioned as task lead at Decentraland from 2017 to 2020. He likewise settled a few different new businesses, like a web-based interpretation office and a CRM stage. Ariel recently functioned as an investigator at Charles Waterway Adventures, a rumored Silicon adventure store. Fellow benefactor Esteban Ordano has experience functioning as a computer programmer at BitPay, Inc. He additionally functioned as a guide to Matic organization and recently dealt with his own savvy contract advancement startup known as Shrewd Agreement Arrangements. 2017. Mana advanced toward the crypto market on the 17th of September, with a cost of 2 cents. In any case, the token declined to as low as $0 October's end. Afterward, the cost consistently begun to recuperate and hit 13 cents by mid-December yet plunged to 9 cents by year-end. 2018. The token kept on exchanging at 10 cents during early January. Incredibly, the token declined to 8 cents by early February and arrived at a help level of 14 cents by mid-February. Mana figured out how to exchange between the scope of 5 cents and 17 cents for most of the year. The year was closed with a sticker price of 4 cents. 2019. Mana had started 2019 on a negative note, with a sticker price of 4 cents. As the bears kept on hauling the costs down, the token drooped to 3 cents, with specific modifications in the cost. The token was trading exchanges somewhere in the range of 3 cents and 4 cents for a long time. Strangely, the value declined to 2 cents and recuperated to 3 cents by December 2020. With a huge pullback, Mana began the year 2020 with a cost of 3 cents and fundamentally rose to 6 cents by mid-February. Then, amazingly, the token sank to 2 cents in spring as the crypto market declined because of the coronavirus flare-up. Further, with a consistent recuperation, the cost floated somewhere in the range of 3 cents and 4 cents until it hit 10 cents in August. Later, with specific varieties, the cost merged somewhere in the range of 7 cents and 9 cents till December 2021. With an extension of the negative run, Mana kept on exchanging at 8 cents during the beginning of January. The symbolic rose logically to $1.19 in spring and crushed the ATH at $1.63 by mid-May. Notwithstanding, the vast accident in May plunged the cost to 43 cents. The bull run was continued in June. Progressively, Mana figured out how to ascend to $1.07 in September. After a negative beginning to Q4, the declaration of Meta drove Mana to $3.70 by the 2nd of November. December was a violent month for Mana. The altcoin crossed from $2.97 to $4.08, lastly to $3.39. Could Decentraland's Mana be divided? No, Mana can nor be split nor mined. Is Decentraland a wise venture as long as possible? Indeed, Mana is certainly a beneficial interest in the long haul, considering in store for the metaverse. What will be the likely high of Mana's cost toward the finish of 2022? As per our Decentraland cost expectation, Mana could take off as high as $1.21 toward the finish of 2022. Will the Mana cost hit $10 toward the finish of 2025? The altcoin could hit a limit of $5.14 toward the finish of 2025.